Sorry, can you come again? Can you come again, Mr. Moses?
Okay, it's Peter.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Peter.
Yes, I said when you click on the drop down beside merge queries, there will be two options. There are two options, either merge queries or merge queries as new. So which one are we using between the two?
Oh, so okay. Okay. Just click match queries, not match queries as in don't understand.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes. You just click on match queries. But hope I'm on you. You just click on match queries. Right. So now let's say I want to match uh customer sheet to the sheet. What's the unique I talked about unique. Expect us to actually read the unique key, uh foreign key, knock keys. Let me give you an example of knock keys that taking me to SQL. Who that? I'm actually remembering a lot of stuff. There's not there's even what's called check keys. If you are exposed to SQL, you know what is key. Knock keys are keys that when you are filling your Google form, it's just an interface. Knock key will ensure that you put a figure there, not an empty uh, column. You get to. So it's called not null. That's the example of not
So your
null.
voice is not clear again, no.
Sorry, is my voice clear now?
Yes, yes.
So as I was saying that example of not null key is that you are, let's say you are filling your Google sheet. You know, you will see some column they will have steric red, right? Example that it must be filled, it must not be empty. It's called not null form, or what's it called, details or column. Yeah, not null columns. So that's an example of not null columns. You have foreign keys, we have unique keys, we have primary keys. So I want you guys, the way I have paired you, please read on that. What's it called? Read on that and make research on it. Can you get to my point? You tend to understand a lot. And when you are speaking to people and you won't just be that kind of one-way analyst. You will people will know that hey, Elaine Moshe Omo Cotton, so you know. So that's the example. Just read more on all those things. Then I want to merge my customer sheet with my sales sheet. So the unique identifier, which is the primary key, is the customer ID and the sales ID. Customer ID in customer sheet and customer ID in sales ID in sales sheet, right? So I click what? I click, we have the left outer joins, right? Then also read about joins. So we'll discuss it also next week. So I'll click on my joins, press OK. And I told you here now, you are going to see a cursor. What it's going to do is that about that join is Excel will go and pick, or PowerPoint will go and pick the whole sheet. Are you getting me? We will dump it in that, what's it called? That new sheet. So you can, that's why this cursor is this like a gene cursor. So you just have to press it, check what did I need to bring here. I don't need customer ID, I just need customer name and I need region. I put it there. So automatic, you can see I have my customer name, customer region there. Then again, I want to match, right? Match queries. I want to match my products, products. I'm going to pick product ID, match it with my product in the other regions. So I pick it there. It's also that junction. I don't need my product ID, I need product name, I need category. Are you getting my point? Then my match again. You see, okay, I'll explain to you later. My match again, match queries. I want to pick sales rep, right? Sales rep ID plus I match it
Sorry, what are you
comes now.
merging again?
I didn't get your question.
I said, what were you merging again? How many times are we going to do the merging of queries?
We're merging each sheet with unique code, with unique keys now.
Okay, it's not showing as we are doing it. Okay, okay, all right.
So I'm merging from the sales. You can see the sales has product ID, it has customer ID, it has sales rep ID. So if you are merging now, you have to pick from the customer, what's the code? You match your queries, right? Customer ID from customer ID in the customer sheet. That is when you match. Are you getting me?
Actually, I
Hello?
didn't get it. I didn't get it.
Mr. Yemi, please, it's not clear though.
I only got it to the first match query. Look at the applied steps. After change type, then match query. That's where we are.
I'm I'm deleting my steps, right? So now this is it. Look at my table now, right? The essence of merge is I'm picking, I'm merging informations from another sheet to a new sheet. Take for example here now, see my table for sales. It has invoice, it has date, it has product ID, it has customer ID, sales rep ID, quantity, unit price, sales, right? So irrespective of that, I want to merge my sheet from customers. I want some of my information that is in my customers to be in my sales. So far, there is a unique ID in each of those sheets, right? Not only to do that, whenever I'm translating it to my power, what's it called, my power pivot and my power query, it will be easy for me to create relationship with them so that I can write measures, right? So the basics here now, let me now tell you is that you need to merge, right? The basics is you need to actually merge, right? So if you can see right now, as I want to merge, now I'm merging my, what's it called, from my sales sheet, right? Because it contains product ID, it contains customer ID and sales rep ID, which is unique to, if you check your customer sheet, you will see customer ID. If you check your product sheet, you're going to see product ID. If you check your sales rep, you're going to see sales rep ID. So right now, this is just like a master sheet for me, this sales. So I can actually merge from different sheet to this sheet, right? So when I'm doing this right now, and I told you now that I'm going to merge from my what? You can even see here now, the structured name is called combine, right? The labeled name is called combine. Sorry, I hope my screen is still visible.
Yes.
The name is, it helps you to combine cells, right? So I can combine my cells right here now. Let me share with you. So I can actually combine my cells. You can check now. It helps me to combine cells. So we are actually looking at this combine, right? So as we are looking at this combine, we are looking at these combined cells, right? So I want to merge, right? So when I'm merging my cells, so I will have to click, rather than merging query as new. No, we don't need it. Merge queries, right? So I pick my, what's it called? I want to merge from my customers, right? So I pick my customers. You can see automatically it brought out those columns: customer ID, customer name, region. So, and what is the unique identifier or unique key there? Is your customer ID, correct? So I highlighted my customer ID. I highlighted my customer ID from my sales. I highlighted my customer ID from my customer sheet. Then I click OK, right? The moment I clicked OK, I told you that what Excel is going to do is that it's going to bring out all the all the column in that previous sheet to this new sheet. But we don't need it because we already have, what's it called, customer ID. So we can actually expand. This is called expand cursor. So I can actually expand here. The moment I expand, you can see that it brought out some things like customer ID, customer name, customer region. I don't need it. I only need customer name and customer region. You might pick customer region and remove customer ID and customer name, you know. So I've done that for customer sheet. You can see my sheet has expanded to add, to combine customer name and customer region, right? So I also want to merge my query for I want to merge my query for products. So I'm going to pick product sheet here. I'm going to pick product ID and also join it with that's called join. You are joining product ID on salesman sheet with product ID in product sheet. So you click OK. You also see that we can see expand. Then from here, I just need product name and category. I clicked OK. So you can see my sheet from sales now as accommodates, what's it called, product name and product category. And mind you that it will pick those uniqueness, anything that is unique to P17, that is unique to C customer ID 33, that is what is going to merge. Instead of doing lookup, instead of doing lookup for VLOOKUP, customer ID, inside that thing, that exactly this is what we're actually doing now. I get to my point. So we are combining them. We are looking them up for uniqueness. Then I'm merging my, what's it called? My sales rep, right? I click my sales rep ID to my sales rep here. Then I click OK, right? Then I also expand and click sales rep and sales rep zones. So you can see here right now. So you can see. So automatically now you can see my sheet now for sales has actually moved, has accommodated a lot of sheets. Take for example, Oh Jesus. It has actually accommodated a lot of shit, right? So now you can see now instead of that I have sales, you can see you stopped at sales, then you have unit price, quantity. But now I have customer name, customer region, product name from. You can see it's even saying it need to you customer dot customer name. That is from customer sheet is where we have customer name, product name, product dot product name, product dot product categories, right? So it's actually telling you. So actually now we've done merging, right? We've actually done what is called what? Merging. Then you can see my stuff here now. We've done merging. So here now, and I told you that we can actually close and load to our pivot model. Now, let's close, right? Close and load. And I said only to what? Connections. Then add to data model. You need to add it to data models. From there, that's where Excel can pick it, can read it. So you add to data models, then create only connections. Because we've connect them, what we are doing, joining them together, we've actually connect them. So I click OK. You can see a lot of stuff came up, and Excel is actually loading my data, right? Creating relationship. So done, right? But see our previous files that we're able to do. See, this is it, invoice date. But actually, Excel has done a lot. So let's go to our insert. Go to your insert. Then under your pivot table, just click the drop down. You can see from data models. Just click data models. Go to existing new sheet. You can see your store results. You can see, right? From here now, I can pick sales rep ID, drop it in my row. What's the sales, right? Drop it here, right? Then zone. So it's going to detect, this is where the issue is, right? It's going to detect. You can see here now, there is no relationship. That is why our figure looks like this. When you get to pivot table, Power BI too, when you get to Power BI, you will see that in Power BI, there are some times that when you pick information from Power BI, when they don't have relationship, Power BI will give you informations like this. Why? Because there is no what? There is no relationship. So until you are able to create relationship, that is when Excel will be able to adjust it. Why? Because there is no relationship. So, so what do we need to do now? We need to create relationship. So I'll have to create relationship. My table here is what's it called? Sales. What's the foreign key? That will be what sales ID. Yeah. Then here is what? sales rep. You can see automatically my data change. Then I add to my data model. What's it called? Do not show total. Show in tabular form. Can you see? So you can see my data has changed. Then I put in 1,000. Although there is a way, by the time we get to right measures, we'll know how to put our data in measures. So you can see now, I've been able to, I've been able to analyze my data very well. You can see I can put, I can go to my customer, put what's it called, category, drop it here. You can see in that category here now, here, there is no, it's still bringing out error information. Why? Because there is no relationship. So the moment I create the relationship right now, for sales, customer, customer ID, I think here, from customer ID, I create customer ID. What's this called? So it's product. I think is it product? Product ID. Salesman. Yeah. I've been able to create relationship. So repeat item labels. So you can see now I've been able to create my relationship with them. Mr. Moses, Mr. Moses, Mr. Peter.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm listening. I'm following. I'm following. I'm following.
So fantastic, right? So you can see your data from different sheets, right? Based on what we have. Sales reps. For this sales rep now in North, this is what he has sold for. You better understand this phase. By the time we now get to measure, what are we going to be saying? Ha, I better go. So you can see Excel is more than what you people think it is. Hmm?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
You agree with me?
Of course I do. Yes, absolutely.
So, how does it feel like now? Does it still look like magic?
Ah, Mr. Adeyemi, it's more than a magic.
Mr. Dosum, welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hope you are still with us in the bus.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Hope you understand.
I'm following you, sir.
You can see how Excel looks like now.
It's very serious.
Yeah. Yeah. Any question? Mr. Moses,
Please